Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Modalyst login and product syncing step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Modalyst website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Type in your password in the next field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for retrieval instructions. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations tab on the left side menu. Select the e-commerce platform you wish to sync with Modalyst. Follow the prompts to connect your store. You may need to enter API keys or other credentials depending on your platform. Once the connection is established, return to the Modalyst dashboard. To sync products, navigate to the Products section. Click on Import to bring new products into your store. Choose the products you want to import from the Modalyst library. Click Add to My Store to proceed with the import. After the import is complete, review your product listings to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to product descriptions or pricing. Finally, monitor the syncing process to keep your inventory updated. Make sure to regularly check for any updates or changes in product availability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.